everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a fabulous day. So today I'm opening my favorite candle subscription. Well, really the only one I get, but I love it so much. I'm like clapping right now, what's wrong with me? But I'm opening my Vellabox for May 2019. And I'm really excited because I now have a promo code with Vellabox, so I can save you $5 off your first box. Vellabox is awesome because it has 3 different tiers in their subscription plans, starting at $10, which is super affordable and manageable, so I love that. And their candles are all made from like local artisans in the United States. They're like made in small batches, they're free of any toxic materials, and they seriously burn forever. They have such a long burn life. Like these candles last me so long that like when it comes in the mail, usually I'm like just starting to be in need of more candles. So definitely psyched. I've been loving the candle selections the past few months. So it always comes in this yellow box. And the one I get is the most expensive one, the $30 subscription. I think it's called the Vivere plan. So you get 2 candles in this one, a 4-ounce and an 8-ounce candle. So the $10 subscription is the 4-ounce candle. The $20 subscription is the 8-ounce, and then the $30 is the both of them combined. And in each one you always get like a little bonus goodie, so that's super fun. And yeah, let's just see what's in here. I can't wait. Oh, and I forgot to mention, they always come in super cute drawstring bags, which I always repurpose. So this is what it looks like when I open the box. I'll show you up close in just a moment. I love the bags they send with. Like, they're such good quality. I always reuse them to like package gifts or do something with because they're that good. There's always like a little quote on top. It says, "May we never lose our wonder." That's really sweet. And look, there's like a hot air balloon. So this is what they look like this month. Look how cute these bags are. I love blue. These are so pretty. So obviously this is the 8-ounce and this is the 4-ounce. And then the little extra is right here. And then there is a card that tells you about where the candles come from and like their scent notes and all that. Sorry, it's like dropped the box to the floor. So let's see where the candles are from this month. So it looks like they're from Thistle and Finn, and they are based out of Monmouth, Oregon. Awesome. It's a family-owned candle company back from the days when products were made to last without compromise. These 100% natural, non-GMO soy candles are hand-poured with love. Candles for a clean conscience. Awesome. So let's start with the small one. I seriously love these bags this month. Kind of matches me. I'm like wearing blue. Well, not exactly, but I love blue. I always wear blue. Oh, cute. So this is Citrus Grove. I love citrus scents. But look at how I love the label. There's like a little kid and what's it? Oh, and a bunny. So cute. So let's see what it smells like. Oh my god, it smells so good. I always say this. I know I'm probably getting annoying, but I wish there was smell-o-vision. Just imagine you can smell notes of citrus, and it's refreshing, perfect for springtime. Let's see what it says, since I do not describe scents very well besides good or bad, like, or great. Like, this is great. So the fragrance notes are black tea, tangerine, and orange blossom. So good. I'm so excited about this. So this is a delicate blend of spring orchards, bold tangerine, and gently finished with a warm floral tone. See, that was a much better description than what I was saying. Oh, it smells good and citrusy. All right, now on to the big candle. All right, so it has a similar label, and this one is called Joseph's Dream. So judging by the name, I have no idea what it will smell like, but here is what the candle looks like. I love just like simple labeling. That's really cute. Can go in any room. Oh, this smells good. What does this smell like? Or do you want to just pretend? Let's see what they say. Okay, now I get, yeah, it's like, okay, I'll just read what it says. I was about to like try and come up with my own words, but fragrance notes of citrus, cranberry tang, and northwestern pine needles. That's what I was smelling like. It smelled like piney, like kind of like winter candles, but it had that like citrus twist to it. Like, so it's not super like Christmassy smelling. That probably was the worst description ever, but this smells great. And it says, an invitation to live simpler, dream bigger, and embrace the present. Enjoying citrus with cranberry tang, finished with a hint of pine, is nothing short of a day well spent. God, this smells great. I always have trouble like deciding what my favorite is. I really like both. This one, like Joseph's Dream, is just so unique because it really, like, you can smell all the notes. And I'm not one of those people who has like a good nose, you know? But yeah, they're both awesome. That is so amazing. And then let's see what our little extra is. This is by J.R. Watkins, 98% natural hand cream, and it is made with shea butter, and the scent is lemon cream. How cute is this? It's just like a little one-time use or travel hand cream. And it says in the back, daily remedy before bed, moisturize hands to wake up with hydrated, soft, and smooth skin. Oh, I'll keep this by my bed then so I remember to do it. I love lemon scent. I may have mentioned that before. I just like love citrus scents in general, but lemon is so refreshing. I think of it more as like a morning scent, but I'll try it at night. I don't think like that scent will keep me up or anything like that. So J.R. Watkins is the bonus gift, like I said, the lemon cream hand cream. This was made in San Francisco, California. I love it there. I haven't been there in so long. And it says, J.R. Watkins challenges themselves to help you set right modern day stresses, focusing on mind, body, and spirit. They're committed to helping you find calm, peaceful moments of reprieve from daily stress through their natural, cruelty-free products and regimens. Awesome. So this is what the card looks like. Did I show you guys up close earlier? It always comes like this. So I think this was a good month like always. So the bags never disappoint. So cute. I can't wait to repurpose those somehow. And the candles both smell so good. Like right now I'm just like seriously debating what I should light first. I have a candle going, you know, in the back, but I keep that burning all the time when I've been filming lately. So I mean, there's some left, but I'll probably put one of these downstairs. You know, I've got some pets around and pets can be stinky, so I love having candles going all the time in the house. I love having a good smelling home. It just makes it feel like such a warm, cozy place. And these scents are really refreshing, which is extra awesome. So yeah, if you're interested, I will leave my link and the promo code down below. Even if you want to just start with like one candle, you can get this for $5. I think that is a great promo code. A lot of them are like 10%, which if a subscription's already affordable, you know, it doesn't take too much off, but $5 is a pretty good deal, I think. But I'm biased. I like love this subscription. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for unboxing with me. I hope you consider subscribing before you go, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.